What do management skills have to do with a disability carrier's determination that you have transferable skills and you can do other work? I think everything. I think that's the right answer. Why am I saying that? Well, the common definition of disability in an ERISA disability case is, for at least the first 2 years, an inability to do your own occupation. Then the definition will change to an inability to do any occupation. Now, there's no uniform definition, so you need to get out your disability policy or plan and read it. But what happens at this point in a case is that a disability carrier is going to have their internal vocational counselors look at your past employment history and determine whether or not, by virtue of that past employment history or your education, you have what's called transferable skills, skills that will transfer to other occupations by virtue of whatever your restrictions and limitations might be. Now, the game really for them is to prove that you can do some sort of sedentary occupation. But in playing that game, they will also be doing that transferable skills analysis. Now, there are different types of skills. There are general skills and there are management skills. What are management skills and how does it impact you? Well, management skills can include developing and overseeing a budget, recruiting, reviewing resumes, interviewing, hiring, supervising, evaluating employees, dealing with management. Those management skills can be transferable to other sedentary types of occupation. So what happens is we want to make sure that the disability carrier is in fact analyzing what transferable skills you have and whether or not, in fact, you have management skills that would transfer. Now, you may have been involved in a management position and you would think that those skills could transfer to some other management position. That's the game carriers play. But what's important here is the nature of your injury or medical condition, whatever it might be, can interfere with your management skills. It might be because of your pain. You don't really want to interview people. You don't really want to hire people, and you certainly don't want to supervise employees. And so we want to make sure that the disability carrier understands whatever your restrictions and limitations might be, physical, cognitive, social, behavioral, that could interfere with the transferability of these types of skills to other work that a disability carrier might say that you're capable of doing. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.